Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you want to create an animated logo in Canva just like this, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. So let's get into it. So we're going to start here in Canva, and canva.com. All you need to do is log in on your account, and what we're going to do is we're going to go and tap on the create a design on the top right hand side. From here you want to go down and tap on create custom size, which is all the way at the bottom, and the standard logo size, if you use one of their templates, is 500 by 500. I suggest that you use something a little bit larger so you can increase the quality of your logo. So we're going to use 4000 by 4000. Now you can go ahead and create a logo on your own. However, just for example purposes, I'm going to use one of these templates. So as you can see on the left hand side, it says templates, and we're going to go ahead and type in here logo, and it'll give you some logo templates that you can use and customize. So just for example, we're going to use this one, and let's just click on it. As you can see, you can customize everything about the actual logo itself. So if you're going to go ahead here now and click on each one of these elements, you can go ahead and you can change everything about it, including the color. So let's just go ahead and make the background black, and let us go ahead into position at the top and look for all the text. Now you're going to hold in Shift and select all the text and all the other elements, and we're going to go over here to the top where the A is, and this is the color, and we're going to go ahead, add a new color, and we're going to make it white. Now this does look fantastic, and we're going to just click away, and this is our logo. Now the important thing to do here is make sure that you are customizing this to your liking. The next thing you're going to do is go ahead and select one of the elements. Let's select this text, and as you can see right at the top there is animate. Once you open animate, you have tons of awesome options. You can see over here from basic, as you put your cursor over everything, it shows you a sample. Now I've chosen the blur, and from here you can go down and you can animate it either on entry or on exit, or you can have it on both. So I'm going to leave it just on entry, because when I'm done with this logo, the whole logo is going to fade away. You can also go down here and change the speed. So if you want that to appear a little bit faster or a little bit slower, you can change that right over here. You also have the writing style. So if you go ahead and you hover your cursor over each one of these, you'll see how that actually changes that. So once you have selected what you'd like here, you can go down and there are additional animations. You can now also see the way it's been written. It is completely changing the way it's being animated into your logo. You can also go down and you can exaggerate the motion. So let's go ahead and select neon. And that is now what it looks like. Again, you can adjust the intensity. You can now also change whether it's animated on entry, exit, or both, and the writing style. As you go down, we can also add motion effects. So let's go ahead and add a wiggle. So once we have selected that, again, it gives us the option to change the intensity. And what we can do now is we can remove the animation, or we can clear all of the options that we have chosen. Let's go right back to the top. And as you can see here at the top, you have page animations. Now, once you open here, this will allow you to animate the entire page. Basically what this is a template. So if you go ahead and select one of these, you don't have to animate each one of your elements individually. I would like to be a little bit more hands-on, so I'm going to select another element, and I would like to go ahead and choose a way of this animation appearing. You can go on to do something else with the rest of the elements in here, and we can now also animate the very last element, which is the two lines on the outer part of the logo. Again, into animation, and we can see what is going to work best for us. So when you are done, of course, you can customize this to your needs. You can go down to the bottom of the page and there will be a full screen option. You can click on this, And here you can see what your design looks like in full screen. Now you can go ahead again and change some elements if you need to, but for now we're going to go up to the top of the page and you'll find share. Once you on share, you can go ahead and click on download. Now you can click on the arrow to the right hand side, and here you can choose the file type. Make sure that it is on MP4. However, it should be with the animation, so make sure that it is in video format. Also, you can change the quality here, so you can make sure that if you are maybe sending this and you're not using it as your final draft, you can decrease the quality so that you're not sending large files. You can now go ahead and you can click on download, and this will now be downloaded to your device, and it'll be yours without any copyright infringements. Now, if this was an awesome video, you can go ahead, show your support, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.